Curran Construction is a progressive general contracting firm operating out of Southwest Florida. We're taking what we've learned from the world's largest contracting firms and combining it with a boutique style approach.
Speed is critical in construction. Everybody says time is money. I think it's probably one of the most overused terms and underappreciated, but it is so true.
We needed a software that was easy to use, that integrated with all of our other softwares, and Acumatica was the clear choice.
So we use Building Connected for all of our bidding and RFPs, ProWest for putting together our estimates, and then Procore for all of our project management and project-based accounting, and then of course Acumatica for our overall company accounting. And the beauty of all of that is they all integrate. They all talk to each other, so there's no double entry.
Acumatica is very intuitive. Everything you're looking for is placed where it should be. We really enjoy the fact that in the construction module, everything is in one place.
When I go in there and I need to find something, I know where to go and I can find it.
So mobile devices are so ingrained in everything that we do. They're everywhere. It's how we conduct business, and it's how we do things in the job site too. And so we refused to pick any application that we couldn't access from our mobile devices.
I literally can pick up the phone. I can dive as deep as I want into the software. I can approve invoices, time cards. I can dive all the way down to even see the commitments of certain subcontracts.
We love Acumatica unlimited licensing model. We know as we add on more employees, our overhead won't keep growing. And the other thing is Acumatica's support team is excellent. The online support, the ticketing process is very streamlined. They respond quickly. Acumatica has been a very great partner for us.
I think that's how you change the industry, is everybody needs to evolve, and if we can help change the industry, that'd be great.
Acumatica is efficient, integrated, connected. Acumatica is a no-brainer for construction.